We gain knowledge as we live, hottest topics what we give, and we fly in the sky like a culture. We the hottest podcast, sports culture.
Y'all can do that.
What's up? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? We here with Sports Culture. Where can they find you on social media? Where can they find y'all at?
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, the Instagram is kind of confusing. I am Wait, I am AAANNS.
Okay.
Boom.
Okay. What about you?
Underscore Mary Maggio underscore.
So your name
Okay.
Mary is my
What's your
name.
name?
Iman.
Iman, nice to
Yeah.
meet you.
Okay, so
Yeah.
what is y'all costume? What are you?
I'm not gonna lie, could not tell you. I'm you know the show Bridgerton?
Bridgerton on Netflix.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm the thought version of that.
Oh, the thotty version. Okay, I like that. She lit. The thotty version. I like that.
version.
Okay, the thotty
The
version.
busted version.
Okay, what are you?
I'm just bloody. I don't really know.
Oh, she bloody.
Bloody
Okay.
Mary. Bloody Mary.
Oh, okay.
We got you.
Bloody. So hold up. Are you the
the
thotty version of Bloody Mary too, or
Yeah.
oh the thotty version? Okay, so we got the thotty version of,
Yes, thought stand up. No,
and then the thotty version of Bloody Mary.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. I love this interview. Okay, here we
I'm
go.
gonna ask you 2-3 questions.
Oh, 2-3 questions.
It's about sports. So we'll start.
You got NBA, you got the NFL,
Ooh.
and you got. You say ooh at the NFL like that?
No, I meant ooh at the NBA.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Let's start the NBA. Go straight to it. Go
Let's
straight
start
to
the
it.
NBA.
But right
Go
now,
straight.
we're trying to know which one would y'all marry out of
Oh.
any personal
athlete.
player, any. This could be college, it could be professional. Anything
Okay,
like-
I already know mine.
What's yours?
Okay, so originally I would say Zach Levine,
Okay.
but he's married
Okay.
now, and I gotta be respectful.
Oh, okay.
Josh Christopher,
Oh, for the
I actually,
Rockets.
I actually talked to him. Hey, give me some.
Hey, she lit at the thotty version.
Yeah,
Okay.
Me and Josh Christopher, we like this, basically.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He said, "What's up?" Yeah.
All right.
For shit show. For shit show.
How about you, man?
I don't know anyone. LeBron James.
Hey, LeBron. Okay, that's a great choice. Shout out Bron.
He loves his family.
Shout out Bron. Real talk. Shout out
Me
Bron.
on Instagram at Royalty Nanny with 2 Y's.
Okay. What's your Instagram?
Cherry the Brat.
Okay. Okay.
Sports culture. Sports culture.
So we got
No,
to
no,
put.
we're gonna know, like, who get your names in there? Like, what's your name?
My name Roger.
Okay. What's
My
your,
name Cherry.
okay.
My name Lila.
Okay. So first question: which athlete, any athlete, would y'all marry?
Jalen Green.
Jalen Green for like the Rockets. Jalen Green. Okay. He hooping right now. Okay.
On the D-line
For
Alabama.
Alabama.
And not so much.
You said anybody on the D line for Alabama. You know any names?
I can't think of that nigga name. That's why I said I don't know.
Okay. How about you? You don't know no athlete?
I'm not gonna lie, I don't know these athletes' names.
No sports, none of the big names. You don't know Ron, you don't know
You said what?
John Moran.
That's the last person said. John Moran, my favorite player. I feel you. Okay.
She said John.
Oh, okay. You from Memphis? Okay. Dog. Okay. All right.
Since it's like this is homecoming, you know what I'm saying? We kind of asking like who y'all favorite athletes are. You know who y'all fucking with right now? Who you fucking with?
John Moran.
Okay. My nigga.
That's something she gave you one. You know what I'm saying? You know,
I'm sorry, I don't watch
athletes.
sports.
All right.
It's all good.
Okay.
Wait, like just what genre of sports do you fuck with the most?
Football.
Football. Okay. So you know you watch a little sports. So which one you say out of any of the football players you say you marry?
Any athlete,
Any
professional
college
sports, would you marry? Like that's hubby. That's hubby. Who hubby?
Jadarella _19.
Okay, what's your name? Jada? Jada
Yeah.
name? All right.
Same question I asked you. We asking like out of all the sports players, like it could be anything. It could be professional. It could be college. Like, which one out of all of them would you marry?
Married.
She said I'm gonna go with who?
She said Tom Brady.
Tom Brady. Oh, he just got divorced. So divorce papers today filed. Hey, who got the most money?
Who got the best money?
Pat Mahomes.
She said who got the best money? Now the deal 5 years.
Or if you're talking about basketball,
Oh, she said he like white girls. She
Who?
said he like white girls.
oh yeah. You fuck with the football players too, or you with the NBA players?
Lamar don't got money right now.
Lamar, not yet. He ain't got paid yet.
She said Lamar ain't got the bag yet.
He ain't got paid yet.
If he ain't signed a contract yet.
We waiting.
I guess Lamar, yeah.
Lamar Jackson. Okay.
Lamar
Yeah,
sounds
she like them hood niggas from Miami. I feel you.
I'm Avery.
Avery,
I'm Cynthia.
Cynthia. Y'all watch sports and stuff, right? Sure, like a little bit.
yeah. Okay.
Well, out of the ones y'all know, like what sport athletes? It can be anything from college, it can be NFL. It's like out of basketball too, like NBA. Just out of all of them, which one y'all marry starting off? If you have to pick any of them.
Any
Mary.
Yeah, just to marry starting off.
I like soccer players.
Okay, so what
Okay.
soccer player would you say, oh, my dream, I would marry him?
Well, the one that I used to like cheated on his wife. Cheated on Shakira. So
Who's married to Shakira?
Messi.
Oh, Messi. Oh,
Yeah, I
Messi.
don't know, but
How about you?
I say baseball.
Okay, who?
I don't know any baseball players.
Nobody for the Astros? We in the World Series.
nobody from Astros. You got
Altuve?
4 games, like get 4 games and out.
I have no idea.
Nah, okay.
Hey, so what's number 2?
Next question gets a little more intense, but we're just being
gosh.
playful here.
Okay.
So, which athlete, if you could have it your way, would you sleep with?
Sleep with?
Yeah, if you could have it your way.
I don't know if I'm not into the one night stands. I feel like,
She's more of a, she wants the marriage. I
feel like, but Kelly Oubre, I feel like he's like a one night type of person.
Okay, Kelly Oubre. She shot her shot. She shot her shot, Kelly.
But
Okay.
he's also married. But
No, that's not disrespectful though. It's just this is playful. This is playful.
he's just like,
This is playful. Yeah. This is playful.
yeah, because he's too fine to be like a husband.
Yeah. Oh, Kelly Oubre, she's shooting, bro.
Like, I can't.
Kelly Oubre, she's shooting, my boy, my guy.
Too fine.
Okay, Kelly, she say okay.
What about you, Mary?
Okay,
What's
I
up,
know
Mary?
who that is, and I think he's really hot. So I'm really going.
Kelly,
we
Kelly
both
Oubre.
have-
Kelly, you got 2?
Kelly Oubre got 2.
Kelly, you got 2. Okay, Kelly.
Which one y'all think y'all sleep with?
Which one I sleep with?
Yeah. Ja Morant, okay. You don't know your athletes. You gotta learn your athletes. Okay. True. All right.
You got the ones that you marry out the way. Which one's on the level that you kind of fuck around with?
Sleep with.
Okay, y'all
One.
asking these questions.
No,
y'all
just-
know them for real.
No, we don't.
No, this is
This so we
podcast.
we do a sports podcast. We just doing interviews.
For the final question,
Okay.
out of all the different sports, which one out of all of them do you think has the best game in bed, best sex game, all that? Like you be
bed.
fucking more the football
What
players,
sport?
NBA players, soccer players, baseball.
I mean, you want to go first? I think y'all could tell. Right?
I don't know, football players.
Hey, she say football players. Okay. Real. Oh, she like to be thrown. Hey, Dottie Mary like to be thrown. Okay. Hey. Okay, I like that. Okay. What about you? That's
Okay, I mean, I feel like we already know the NBA, but like, cause I like them tall, skinny, like, I
Okay.
like them breakable. You know what I mean? So,
Oh, she try to break you.
I'm just kidding. Never
Jeez.
so out of pocket.
No,
I don't know.
jeez. Okay.
I'm kind of buff, so I'm like, I don't know why I even say that, but
Real talk.
yeah.
Okay, Kelly, you better lift some weights, Kelly. Real talk.
So,
Let's show off the guns.
I like
real quick.
me show off the
You
guns.
say you live.
I do lift, but okay, but like I got a week, like okay, we got an airbrush tattoo the other day.
Okay.
So it's like kind of okay. I'm gonna show off the bicep though.
Oh, she with it. Ah.
A little
Okay.
A little something slight.
One more question. I don't know from y'all experience or whoever y'all think. Like, pick one. Who do y'all think got like the best pipe game? What sport? What sport? Football, basketball, baseball. From experience or just what y'all think?
Wait, like
From
Just like what genre? Like y'all fuck more with the football
Like, who
players,
got-
the basketball players?
who you think? You say basketball players?
Football players, okay, football players.
What makes you say basketball players? Why you think basketball players? Okay, from experience. Okay. Okay. I appreciate y'all. As far as from your experience, which athlete got like the best pipe game? Is it the baseball players, the hoopers, the football players?
Oh, person I just got here.
I'm saying from your experience, high school.
All right, boom. Video over.
Who got the best pipe game? Football, basketball, baseball, soccer. Who y'all think?
Basketball players, the football players. I mean,
Baseball.
Baseball.
Baseball? Okay.
Okay.
I can't trust these NBA niggas, but
Oh,
But we just talking about who you would sleep with. It's just for your experience and keep it moving.
Like, for a little fun. Basketball? Okay.
Basketball players?
For sure.
what out of all the different genres, out of all the different genres, you say has the best pipe game?
It's best in bed.
Baseball, soccer for you as well.
I guess like I think basketball.
Basketball players, that's for sure.
Hey guys, what is she dressed up as? What do you guys think she is?
Is it from a movie?
Disney Channel.
Disney Channel, Hannah Montana?
Yes.
Hey, I really with it. Okay, Miley Cyrus. Who is she? She's the Disney character. Oh, okay, for sure. Hey, y'all look nice. Enjoy y'all night. Be safe.
Y'all too.
Yes, thank y'all. Okay, for sure.
I called my mom on accident.
Oh, she called her mama.
On accident.
Your mama hold her whole conversation. It's all good
We
though.
appreciate y'all.
Yeah, for sure.
But for sure, hey, shout out y'all social media one more time where they can find y'all.
Damn, I already forgot it.
Oh, she forgot it. Turn up.
Oh, go ahead.
She
first.
litty.
Let me think real quick.
_, Mary Maggio _
Okay, Dottie Mary.
Got it, Mary. Okay, like I said, Instagram, IMAAANNNS. Boom.
Okay, for sure.
So shout out social media one more time so they know y'all.
Follow me on Instagram at Royalty Name with 2 Y's. Cherry the Brat.
And follow me, Alina.
Okay.
For sure.
Is that a possum?
Stop.
Appreciate y'all.
Sports culture.
Sports culture.
Sports culture. That's our podcast on YouTube. Follow us.
Y'all have a good one.
Y'all have a good night.